Hi all, welcome to ManoCooks and I'm Mano. When it comes to breakfast on busy mornings, omelette always tops the list as healthy, easy and protein-rich filling option for a better start to any day. Here is two gem of recipes for all those omelette lovers as me. As you all know, you can get the ingredient list on the description box down below this video too. So let's get started. First recipe is very yummy and filling Afghani omelette with poached eggs, tomato, onion and potato. These are all the ingredients I am taking for our first recipe. Let's take a non-stick pan and add 3 tablespoons oil and heat it on medium flame. Once oil is hot, let's add our chopped potatoes. As you can see, we have chopped the potatoes into equal small cubes. Wash and drain the water off and add this potato to the pan. Now let's spread the potatoes on the pan and cover the pan with a lid and allow the potatoes to cook. Cooking time of potatoes would vary depending on how you have chopped. So cover and cook for 1 minute, open, mix it and cook again. Once you see the potatoes are cooked halfway as you see in the video, let's add 1/3 cup of chopped onion followed by some salt just to flavor the potatoes. Mix again and cover and cook. Once onion turns pink, let's add half cup chopped tomatoes. Always tomatoes should be little more in quantity than onion for this recipe. Now let's add some pepper powder. I'm also adding chopped green chili. This is optional but it adds a great taste. Try adding them. Mix everything and cover the pan and cook again. Power tip here, always cover and cook and adjust the temperature if you feel the pan is too hot, as we do not want to burn any of our ingredients. Once you see the tomato is mushy and the potato is cooked as you see in the video, it's time to add eggs. If you feel the need of oil, you can add some oil anytime. You can also make this recipe with olive oil or butter or regular cooking oil like me. So arrange the potato, onion and tomato mix in a single layer in pan before adding the eggs. I have taken 2 eggs for this recipe. Just to make sure that the egg yolk does not break, I have cracked open the egg and kept them in small bowl. This would ensure that we get to pour it perfectly on the potato base. Slowly add the eggs and make sure to keep the egg yolk in the middle just to perfect the look of the dish. Chopped green chilies are optional in this recipe, but adding them increases the flavor, so please try adding them. I have 2 slit green chilies, arrange them on top, sprinkle the chopped green chili, add chopped coriander leaves, sprinkle pepper powder, sprinkle some salt to flavor the eggs. Remember, already we have added salt while cooking the potato and onion, so add accordingly. Final magic ingredient is paprika powder or red chili powder. Sprinkle some on top. Now let's cover and cook. If you want, you can reduce the flame to medium low and cook until it is totally cooked. We'll be cooking it from one side, so please keep the flame on medium low and cook. Once the egg white seems to be cooked, if you want the yolk to be little runny, you can take it off any time and have it steaming hot. If you want the egg yolk to cook throughout, you can cook for some more time before you dish out. As I like the egg yolks to remain yellow, I'll go ahead and take this off right now. This is very yummy protein rich breakfast with potato, onion, tomato and green chilies and poached eggs, which gets done very quickly and it's super filling too. Our next easy breakfast dish is very popular Spanish omelette. Any breakfast should be easy to think, quick to cook and at the same time super exciting and filling and delicious for a bright start. Also, you can get the ingredient list for this recipe on the description box down below this video. So let's get started. Always take a non-stick pan for this recipe. Let's heat it on medium flame. Add 4 tablespoons oil and once oil is hot, let's go ahead and add chopped and washed potato. For Spanish omelette, always cut the potatoes as how I have shown in the video. Cut the potatoes in half first and then cut each half into halves again and then slice them into medium thick pieces. After adding potatoes, let's add lengthwise chopped onion. I have taken 3/4 cup chopped onion. Now let's cook both potatoes and onion on medium flame. Let's go ahead and add salt for this potato. Keep mixing them with a spatula and cook until onion changes color and potatoes are cooked well. Once both are cooked well, drain the potatoes and onion in a plate. Idea here is to drain all the oil from the onion and potato. Now rest them and allow them to cool down completely before we proceed with the next step. In the meantime, take a big bowl. You can also take 3 eggs for this recipe, but I'm taking 2 eggs right now. So let's crack them in a big bowl and add salt, add pepper powder, add chili flakes. Remember, potatoes also has salt, so add salt accordingly. Red chili flakes are optional for this recipe, but they did add taste, so I would suggest adding them. Now let's whisk the egg until frothy. Now check the potato and onion. Once they are completely cooled down, let's add them to our egg and mix well and keep this mixture aside. Now let's heat the same pan on medium flame. Reduce the oil from the pan and keep only some oil. Once oil is hot, let's now add the egg potato mixture to the pan. Best tip here, keep the flame on medium low after adding the egg mixture. After adding the mixture to the pan, level the egg and the potatoes. We will now cook the egg mixture in medium-low flame from one side. Once you see the egg is cooked at the bottom, take a white plate and cover the pan on top, and let's flip the egg to the plate. This could be little tricky, but it's easy. You can flip the egg on a plate as you see in the video. As you can see, one side is cooked very well. Now let's keep the pan again, and we have to transfer the flipped egg back into the pan slowly. We are doing this step to cook the alternate side. So while transferring the egg to the pan, again adjust the potato and tuck all the sides so as to get a fluffy cake-like shape. Now let's cook the other side for some time. Since already it is cooked in one side, the other side would cook very soon. Once cooked, take this off in a plate and enjoy it steaming hot. This is a super healthy breakfast loaded with carbs and protein. As you can see, the egg seems to have a filling of potato in the middle. It is very yummy and filling instant breakfast dish. Please do try these two instant and healthy options at your home. Also, if you are new here, please do subscribe to ManoCooks to learn more such easy recipes with all the tips and tricks, and also please click on the bell button next to it. And if you are my subscriber already, please hit the like button and comment me down if you like this video, and please do share this with your family and friends. Thanks a lot for watching.